I'm Aiden, this is a $300,000 Aston Martin, and here's a quick fact about its paint.
This soft. This paint's so soft. It's softer than your grandma's britches. This paint's so soft.
So soft indeed. This DBX 707 came to me for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. I started out with the wheels here, carefully washing each of them by hand. Scratching them wasn't an option.
All right, just got the wheels done, and we're gonna get to the paint. It's a new car, so nothing drastic needed here. Hose it off, 2-bucket method, and get it cleaned up.
Pretty simple wash process here. It was just a little dusty. Got it wet. Got the brush out for all the small areas. Car soap, suds it up, wiped it off, rinsed it off. These pre-ceramic washes are really important to get all the dirt from everywhere, because any dirt that gets caught on the pad later can ruin the paint. Drying it off, using my nifty blower to clear all the small areas out, reduce water spots.
I'm detailing an Aston Martin.
My friend had called me and I wanted to share that with him. But this tool is great for wheels because it gets all of the water spots out for later.
What a treat. 2024 Aston Martin DBX 707 black on black on black on black on black. 500 miles on it. Needs not much. Just gonna refine the paint a little bit. Light polish. Ceramic coat it. It's got a PPF in the front, so that is taken care of already. Ceramic coat the wheels, the glass, the carpets, the paint. Couldn't be any more excited. Tell you the truth, it's gonna be a really nice job. Gonna make for some good viewing for you guys. So let's get to it. Actually gonna start in the interior with the carpet ceramic coating. Just gonna be a quick blowout. It's obviously brand spanking new, so it does not need a lot.
Vornado's a life changer. This tool totally makes interiors bearable. Vacuum is arcane technology at this point.
Apply that ceramic product.
I applied this awesome carpet ceramic product from Nazial. Literally spray on, let sit for a day, and helps spills and stains from forming in your carpet.
Got new soft paint with plenty of swirls in it, with a Buff and Shine yellow pad to start and fast correcting cream. See how that takes care of it. If we need more cut, then we'll go blue pad.
This was the softest paint I have ever worked on. Even my microfiber towels were scratching it when I was wiping off the compound. So it was kind of an issue to work with, but soft paint means you can get good results, and pretty much anything that wasn't super deep I was able to get out. This did kind of leave me with a conundrum though, as I explain here.
I think I'm a good detailer but a bad businessman, because when it's so close to perfect already, I just want it to be perfect. And frankly, that's not what the client paid for, but it's what I want to give them. It's a beautiful car, it's one of my favorites. He's a nice guy, and I think I'd rather spend the extra time and give him a great product. It's like there's no excuses. The paint's soft, it's new, it's clean, so I know I can make it perfect, so I'm gonna try.
This type of job also makes the perfectionist within me scream, because you can remove 90% of it, but in this perfectly flat black paint, the one little swirl mark that's left just is laughing in your face and you want to go chase it, but it just ends up taking way longer than you want it to. This car did take way longer than I wanted it to. Honestly, I think I left the first night at about 4:30 in the morning. All said and done, this truck took a little over 20 hours to do, which may have been more than I needed based on what I charged him, but once again, perfection was right at the door there, so I wanted to go through every little bit of the car like I did here. And I was rapping while I was doing it.
But the lady said my hair was too short though. Roll by the 5-0 like in the feathers and they shuffle in the Yu-Gi-Oh! The long way, I love you more than Kanye love Kanye. Let me off that.
Pretty sweet, right? Oh, you thought I was done?
Lior Tacone, Christian Dior, on it. And never gonna last longer.
This was about 2 in the morning, so I needed something to keep me entertained. This door really shows the transformation that this car went through in a dramatic way. Pretty sweet turnout. More details here. Every little bit of the car, including the glass. Quick polish just to get rid of any embedded contaminants or water spots. The whole roof was glass, so I went over the whole thing as well. Pretty quick. Went and ceramic the whole car here. 10-year ceramic coating from System X. Each and every detail, of course, and as always. Next up was wheel ceramic. Had to take them off by hand because too intricate to do on the car. Used the 2-post for this. Unscrewed everything by hand so I wouldn't scrape the wheels here. Took them off, wiped them down, applied the ceramic across every little bit with my hands, which probably should have been using gloves, but that's okay. Super in-depth process here. Honestly took probably 2.5 or 3 hours to do all 4 wheels, which I eventually did, and then drove it back to the shop.
The truck is done. It's the next day. Did the wheels today, the calipers, wiped down the door jambs. Most of the hard work was done yesterday, but came out amazingly. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. Really, really happy with the way it turned out. I mean, everything is every single thing you see on the car has been ceramic coated. Glass, paint, wheels, calipers, roof, taillights, headlights, literally everything is ceramic coated now. Rupes Bigfoot 23 with Buff and Shine yellow pad and Griot's fast correcting cream across the entire car. Used the ceramic coating after that, so.
Hope you guys enjoy these final shots of the car. I'll let the work speak for itself, but what a treat to work on this vehicle. Hope to do another like it soon. Aston Martin makes an unrivaled product and made it look as good as it should. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more.